Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use hardware wallet to store crypto and move funds securely. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use a hardware wallet to store crypto and move funds securely, you need to simply first initialize the device. So there are like different kind of hardware wallets. So you need to simply buy the device itself and select the device you want to purchase. So once you have purchased a hardware wallet from trusted brands like Leisure or Treasure, ensure you buy directly from the manufacturer's official site. After this, you need to initialize the device and create a PIN. Once this is done, you need to back up your recovery seed phrase. The mnemonic phrase that is provided is very important for your transactions. So simply install companion softwares like Leisure Live or Treasure Suite for companies from company's website and store your crypto in your hardware wallet. After this, you can simply move crypto securely by initiating the transfer and confirming the transaction on the device and approving it. So this is how you can simply use a hardware wallet to store crypto and move funds securely. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.